happy in his work. We only make it last for Nigel. He has his future